I'm Deb Kelch from Finish Well Health Coaching, and I just want to show you what I found while I was taking a walk through the woods. Chicken of the woods, look at that. Edible mushrooms. Now there are two species of this mushroom. One of them grows on the base of a rotting tree. You can see it's really shelf-like, and it's got white on the bottom. The other species grows on the ground next to a tree and taps into a root system. It's actually a parasitic mushroom. Make sure if you're going to forage for mushrooms, you positively identify it before eating. So this mushroom, I will soak it and cook it in olive oil and butter, and it'll be delicious. So you can see I've filled the sink with water here. I'm going to take my mushroom and soak it here. Make sure there's no bugs in it. I'm going to let that soak for about an hour, and then we'll cook it up. So I got my pan ready, and I'm going to use this leftover Kerrygold butter with herbs. Turn on the heat, melt that up. I'm going to pour a little bit of olive oil in my pan. This is a good way to mix different forms of fat. We have our olive oil and our butter. So I'm going to heat this pan first. After my butter's melted, I will cook the mushroom. You can see it's starting to sizzle. I'm going to take my mushroom and I'm going to cut it right into the pan. Got some garlic salt. Gonna salt this up. Now I've never cooked one of these before. This is my first time ever finding one of these. I have found puffball before, but I've never found chicken of the woods. We'll see if it really tastes like chicken. Turn off the heat. Look at that. Gonna put this in my bowl. Smells delicious. And now I'm ready to eat.